Look at the river. Our landlord parks right there. Look at it. Jack, look at this. Babe, the ditch is overflowing by our house. Look at it. That's the front of Maurice's stairwell. Look at this car going through it. This is our stop sign, Paulson. That's crazy, dude. Feels good. It's probably like 3 feet deep. Oh, watch this turn. Damn, it's just pouring out of that one across the street, dude.
There's their plug, that's why they're plugged up.
This car's gonna die.
See the street up. One street up by Safeway?
Yeah.
That is it. You go up one block?
Dude, that...
You're alright, Kevin, right here. The only way this is going to get full is this fucking comes up here. This drain would be pouring up right now, please. You know what I'm saying? You're alright. You got this concrete slab around, you're alright.
Hope it doesn't get into our house. It's going into the grass. Look at the tree. It's about like 4 feet in front of the tree until it gets to the concrete. Hey, look at the tree, dude. Look at it. The sidewalk's gone, dude. Look at the sidewalk in front of it. It's gone, dude. And the grass. You might have to move your truck. Dude. Dude, we should post this video and show Jenny.
I bet you would put a photo of getting Jenny's house and not even ready.
I'm also inside the umbrella. This is what we needed.
Oh, we need the rain.
No more water drought.
Yeah, we need the rain. We need the rain, that's the truth. The farmers, not this much, not this heavy.
Look at the grass. There's no sidewalk or corner. We have no more corner.
Really nothing you can do about that.
It will soon reach the raccoons.
City's cold, fucking all of it.
Sucks.
We're just gotta make sure it don't come on here. You might have to come out every once in a while and sweep this shit out.
Thing plug will fix it.
Thing plug is not gonna fix it. Get in there, get
Video 1. Over.